Struggling to find free star symbols for your domain name? Copy and paste them instantly using Namecheap's hidden font maker. I know that feeling. You want to add a little flair to your social media profile or make your domain name stand out. But finding those cool star symbols for free can be a real headache. You search around, maybe find some that look weird or don't copy properly. It is frustrating. But here is the good news. There is a totally free tool hiding inside Namecheap that you can use right now. And I am going to walk you through it. So here's the plan. I will show you exactly where to click to access the star symbols and how to copy them in just a few steps. No complicated software, no signups, just a quick trip to Namecheap's website. Let us start by opening Namecheap's website. Go ahead and open a new tab and head to namecheap.com. You do not need an account or anything like that. We are just using their free tools. Now, find and click the Apps link. It should be up at the top of the page, probably in the main navigation bar. Click on that. All right, so now you are on the Apps page. Scroll down a little bit until you see the option that says View More. It is usually near the bottom of the list of featured apps. Go ahead and click that. This just expands the list so we can see everything they offer. Among all those apps, you want to find the one called Font Maker. Give it a click. This is the hidden gem I was talking about. Namecheap has a whole font generator built right in, and most people do not even know it is there. Once you are on the Font Maker page, look for the tab that says Copy and Paste. Click on that. This is where the magic happens. Instead of having to type out weird codes or download anything, you can just copy symbols directly. Now, click on Star Symbols from the list on the left. You will see a bunch of different categories. Just click on Star Symbols. Now comes the fun part. You will see a whole gallery of different star symbols. There are black stars, white stars, outline stars, all sorts of options. You can click on any one of them to copy it to your clipboard. Let me give you a specific example. For example, click on the black star symbol. That will select that particular style. Then, click on the actual star symbol itself, the big one that appears. That action copies it. Your computer will save it to your clipboard, ready for you to paste anywhere. And just so you can see it works, finally click the highlight button. That will show you the symbol you just copied, proving you have it ready to go. And that is it. You now have a star symbol saved and ready to paste into your domain name, your social media bio, your email signature, anywhere you need it. No paying for fancy fonts or digging through sketchy websites. Namecheap had this free tool waiting for you the whole time. Pretty neat, right?